The city of Biñan in Laguna has 3 reasons to celebrate this month of February, with Mayor Jel Alonte laying out some of their upcoming programs, which includes construction of new schools and a free city college. Luisa Erispe has more details in this report.
A vibrant parade accompanied by the beat of drums and colorful costumes. This is how the city of Biñan welcomed the month of February as they commemorate Biñan Day. From February 2nd to the 4th, Biñan is celebrating its 16th cityhood anniversary, 81st Liberation Day, and its 279th foundation commemoration. But this is not merely a look back at the past. It is also a recognition of Biñan's current success as a thriving city. Since 2010, the economy, education, and healthcare sectors of Biñan have continued to surge forward. In fact, the local government has several upcoming programs, including the construction of new schools and a city college that will be free for all.
4 na buildings na po yung ini-aim natin na maging Biñan City College. Pinag-aaralan na lamang po kung magkakasundo. Yun po, hopefully lalagyan lang natin yung mga basic na courses para alam naman natin kasi yung mas makakatulong po.
They also plan to establish dialysis and chemotherapy centers to provide free medical treatment.
Meron tayong mga kaibigan na babalita na natin, naghanap lang ng lugar na lang mag-start na po yung ating magkakaroon tayo ng chemotherapy center dito po sa atin sa lungsod ng Biñan.
And to address the city's top problem, flooding caused by overflowing of the Laguna Lake, solutions are underway through the planned construction of pumping stations and the imminent dredging of the lake.
Lalagyan natin ng floodgates. I-isolate natin ang buong city sa Laguna Lake. Ang Malabang, there should be at least 3 to 5 pumping stations. So, pumping stations, may floodgates.
The local government promised they will remain focused on projects that directly benefit the public. They also prefer that instead of focusing solely on financial aid, they will prioritize projects that create jobs and sustain the city for future generations.
Ang ganda ng mga projects ng city, education. We have to understand, kulang ang classrooms natin. Malaki ang gagastahin ng city government sa operasyon ng Ospital ng Biñan. Talagang nakita ko yung transformation ng mga programa, yung mga social services.
Mas pagtutunan ko ng pansin yung long term na mapapakinabangan ng mas nakararami. Makapagpagawa kay school, multipurpose hall, mapapakinabangan for the longest times. Pero especially, priority namin, schools talaga yung gusto namin ni Kuya Arman dito sa lungsod ng Biñan.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.